Once a rack strip is in place and correctly referenced, you can edit those references. So we can go to edit, click on the rack strip, and then we have these two little markers here. So the first arrow is our front reference and the second arrow is our top reference. So by clicking on one of those, we can then set our references. So I can find a flat face and I can choose a different reference line. And if I want to, I can change my measurement. So the measurement from this work plane to the front face is 46 millimeters. If I want it to be 100, I can make that 100. I could apply this at that point, and that's fine. If I needed to readjust my reference point at the top, I could.